guys, so in the last video we have seen how to create this type of layout using grid, and we have seen that. If you haven't seen the video, I will link the video in the description, and also it might be seen somewhere on the screen, so you can click it on and watch the first part of the series. So that's the code for that grid. We have like 6 boxes and a container, and I have given styles for it. But now currently we can visual that how many rows and columns are here. But now what I want to show you is that uh, how can we debug if we have some kind of problem using grid, and like in CSS we can inspect that element. So is there any tool? So yes, in all modern browsers, including Firefox, Chrome, and all the latest browser now supports grid dev tools. And in order to open it, you just have to go to inspect, and then we have a layout tab here. So you will just click on layout. Now here there are some options. We will see some options later in the video, but for now our option will be show line number. We will choose that from the drop down, show line numbers, and then it will automatically know that the div with a container, like it will automatically detect that container. So we will just tick it. Now you can see, I think you can, if I can zoom it. So yes, now you can see that we have one column, two column rows, like 2 and 3. So we have two columns, and now we can see the line number, like this 1 2 3 is the column line number, and this 1 2 3 and 4 is the row line number. As you remembered that in the last video we said that the grid template column is 200 pixel by 400 pixel, and the grid template rows is 100 pixel, 400 pixel, and 100 pixel. So that's the visual display, and we can currently this dev tool is no use for us, but later on this video when we will use at some advanced properties of grid, we will came to know that how these line numbers are useful for us. Moreover, like in the next few videos we will learn how to name those line numbers, name these areas. I just want to give you a quick introduction of this dev tool. So in the later videos when we create some advanced layouts using grid, we can debug those layouts using this dev tool easily.